Hello, welcome to part 4. Is it part 4? It is part 4. That's it, pretty much done. Off the stands, just waiting on the wheels, so it's not quite finished yet, and I'm just about to do all the wee finishing touches to it. I've got the door cabs off now, just because I'm thinking about doing the interior, the different fabric inside, but it's looking pretty good. Look at those sills. Oh yeah, they are well worth buying new. The thing is immaculate, and that's for the coilovers, and it looks pretty good. That is a nice height. Still to take out in a wee test drive, but it's raining, so that's not happening. I'm going to wait to stick all the black badges on there now. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks so nice. Dropped. Very nice. Well, I like it. Whether or not it's comfortable, I'm not sure yet. I think the back could maybe go down a wee touch. We'll see. But yep, I am pretty happy with that. So I'll crack on with putting the badges and stuff on now. Obviously, you can't buy these badges. I made these ones. So these are a custom 225 Quattro badges with the Bauhaus kind of logo text on it. Audi do their own sans serif text, but it's, I mean, you can see there on the Quattro badge. It's kind of similar to it, but it was a nightmare trying to get this font, so I just went with Bauhaus, which is fine. And I think I'm going to put one on here. And these are the new dynamic indicators as well. It's an LED run. I'll show you them later. I think it's kind of like the S-Line design I did, except got 225 on it. And I'll put one on here, and I'm going with Mark II TT text. I mean, strictly speaking, these are Mark II TT logos and not the Mark 1s, but somebody debadged that, so I didn't have the TT ones. And do you know what, I actually like the Mark II TT versus the Mark 1 TT, so I'm putting that on. Yeah, and you can comment if you think it's rubbish, but I quite like the 225 badges, something a bit different, so yeah, stick them on. That looks a bit right. Yep. Nice. So there we go. I think that looks pretty good. So it nearly passed the wee shakedown test drive. As I was it drove fine, but I could hear a wee air hiss as I was driving. I got back up the garage, had a wee look in the engine, and there's a wee split in the crank breather. Probably the only one I didn't replace, and that's that kind of hard plastic material. So yeah, but apart from that, it was going great. So good old Autodoc, sent for a kit, and there are multiple variations of these designs. I might just renew all of these while it's down there. That's the wee shoulder, the wee T-joint, wee elbow. I think it's this pipe. That way, I think. Yeah, I think it's that one. I think that goes down. So, I don't know what I'm going to need to take out. Anyway, that's a Sunday job. So we'll crack on and yet again get the pipes out and renew that and see what happens. So that's the new piping, which you can see just there, and that's part of the crank breather hose. So we've just been able to adapt it to fit in, which goes down into that T-section. So after what seems like, well, weeks, it was weeks, it was about four weeks or something I waited on these wheels. They have finally arrived. Hey! So let's get a wee look at these. So this isn't going to be everyone's taste, but I think they look brilliant. Well, I hope they do. Compared to the usual, I think if they puts these on A3s and stuff like that, but the Ronals, I think they're the original Audi ones. They're no bad. I might get them refurbed, but I want something a bit different. So let's get this. Oh, yes. So these are Avus racing ones. Oh, they're nice. They're really nice. Yep, I am happy with them. Yes. So let's crack on. Get them on the car. Oh yes. Nice. Yeah, can't wait to get these on. Yeah, crack on. So what you see here is the brake pad sensor. Now these discs and pads that are on this car were practically brand new, so I didn't see the point to buying discs and pads. But the sensor didn't come with these pads, so this wee brake sensor creates a warning on your dashboard. And apparently if you take the wee sensor off, strip the wires and create a loop, then it should switch the sensor off, the warning off in your dashboard. So you just see us here as snipping the wire, putting some shrink wrap over the wires. We then connected the two ends of the wire together and soldered them so that it would create a loop, obviously. So yeah, we just soldered it on here, as you can see, and yeah, that was it. We got the flame gun out and did a bit of the shrink wrap so it tightened around the wire, and yeah, Bob's your auntie.
Something I never thought I needed. Something I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever called them mine, I knew exactly what I was calling. I knew exactly exactly what to say. There will be nothing to get over if I just let it slip away. So I guess I'll try yet another close call from my eyes. Some days I think of what I had then. Some days I want them again. We were happy. What if we've been as good as we get?
So that's pretty much it for part 4 or 5? 5, I think. That's the car pretty much done. To the engine mod, to the new silicon pipes, to the new sills and wings, coilovers. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much the car, the exterior done. So that's it for the winter. It's no being out on the roads. However, over the winter I will be doing the interior of it. Now this is the material I'm using, but these are the bits of the door card. So these are all broken off. And I am going to do a fancy interior. So I'm just practicing hand stitching now. Needle and thread. It's not too bad actually. I mean, once you get the patterns, which I just took off the old ones, and I'm learning how to properly stitch. It's come together pretty good, to be fair. I mean, you can see there where I've just started stitching that bit. Once that's glued in there, that'll be pretty nice. I'm looking at different materials. But yeah, that's kind of going to be the kind of next thing I do probably over the winter. And then I'll wrap the Golf. I'm going to wrap that a really nice colour. And I'll finish the interior during the winter of the TT. So, and then look for a new project. But yeah, so the next videos will be kind of interior videos for the TT. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do that. I hate saying that. Just if you like it, you like it. If you subscribe, brilliant. I'm just trying to go as far as I can. Anyway, I will catch you in the next one.